Taking a look at a SEMA S107G, and this is one of their helicopter drones. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Here's it in the box, and when you pull it out of there, we've got the controller here, some instructions. Got the drone itself. This one uses 2 sets of blades. Underneath there is a charging cable as well. So it looks like the remote control uses batteries. And then that's probably where it plugs in. There's the on-off switch. And it's that simple to get them to connect. Okay, it definitely flies, and it looks like it flies a little easier than some of the quadcopters. It's obviously a lot smaller, and it looks a lot more like a helicopter. What I like right off the bat is that so much metal in here, it really seems a lot different than your standard quadcopters, which are pretty much all plastic. So that's that simple to get it working. It looks like it's got some trims and some other adjustments here. Looking forward to learning how to fly this one. This is the SEMA 107G. Hope this helps.